Listen, I'm not here to waste your time. If you're scrolling right now, stop for a second, because this is something you're going to want to hear. There's a product in the description that people are going crazy about, and for good reason. It's fast, it's smooth, it's built solid, and it works exactly the way you expect. Without any nonsense, without any complications. Most products overpromise and underdeliver. But this one? It actually does what it says. Performance, clean and fast. Design, sleek and reliable. Ease of use. You'll figure it out in seconds. And let me be brutally honest. If you skip this, you're going to see everyone else using it and wish you had acted sooner. This isn't hype, it's value, it's quality. It's something that genuinely makes your life easier the moment you start using it. So here's the deal. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just click the link in the description right now and check it out before it blows. Listen, I'm not here to waste your time. If you're scrolling right now, stop for a second.